So hello and welcome friends. In this video we are going to see how to implement JSP tags and all. So this will be my home page, and in this video we are going to use the Eclipse. So let's start. So first of all you need to create a dynamic web project for using JSP. So go inside a new. You can select a dynamic web project. In that you can specify any name for on your project. So okay, next and just click on web.xml deployment descriptor. So it will generate a web.xml automatically, and will get web.xml like this. So you can see here, as I have mentioned in the welcome file as index.jsp. So I have created one index.jsp in my web content folder, and this will be my home page. Okay. So now first tag is the directive tag. So how to implement directive tag here? So let me first, okay. So where we can use a directive tag to import any package in JSP, like if I want to use some Java class or Java packages in my JSP page, so I will use that. So I will make like a import. I can say java dot util dot star. So it will be for adding like taking one library, or if you want to import more than one library, then you can separate them using comma. So I can mention here java dot sql dot star. So in this way we can specify, like if you have like how to import packages in Java using directive tag. So it is a directive tag, how to import package in JSP. Okay.